Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SendGrid for transactional emails at scale, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the SendGrid website. Create a new account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Settings in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, select API Keys. Click on the Create API Key button. Enter a name for your API key for easy identification. Choose the appropriate permissions, typically full access. Click on Create and View to generate your key. Make sure to copy your API key and store it securely. Next, open your application where you'll be integrating SendGrid. Ensure you have the necessary programming language environment set up. Install the SendGrid library for your chosen language. For Node.js, use the command npm install at SendGrid/mail. For Python, use the command pip install. Initialize the SendGrid client using your API key. Set up the email parameters, including sender, recipient, subject, and body. Use the provided methods to construct your email message. Send the email using the SendGrid client. Monitor your application's logs for any errors during the sending process. Check your SendGrid dashboard for email activity to confirm successful delivery. Adjust your email settings and templates as needed for scalability. Utilize the analytics tools provided by SendGrid to track engagement. To ensure deliverability, consider verifying your domain within SendGrid. Follow the prompts in the SendGrid dashboard to complete domain verification. You are now set up to send transactional emails at scale using SendGrid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.